reserve?
Yes, you need to make a reservation first, and dress code would be a smart casual.
Smart casual?
Yes. Please watch your step here. This is the most beautiful part of the palace, which is really hot. It's called Elephant because it's made in the shape of open flower lily. Where the famous James Bond movie Octopussy was partly shot. And earlier, King used to celebrate Holi here. Holi.
What is that?
The festival of color and water.
Oh, when is that?
That comes in the month of March, in summer, starting of summer.
Wow.
Is it your like nature trip or something special you're celebrating?
Life.
That's more important. That is another restaurant which is Jeroka Multi-Cuisine Restaurant, open from 5:30 in the morning until midnight. And you don't need any reservation or any dress code for that one.
Okay, more casual.
More casual.
And the menu?
Menu? Mixed menu.
Okay. And this one has basically
Indian food only, yes. Every evening we organize cultural activities here. Dance performance is one of them. Before that as well, we have few more activities. Starting with Heritage Walk of the Palace, which is a 5 o'clock historical walk.
Where do you start off
It
from?
will start from lobby level itself. So you can
Inside
just
here?
Yes, in this palace.
5 o'clock?
Yes. Then at 6 o'clock we have a boat ride, which will charge you 600 rupees per person only. So you need to be in the lobby at least 10 minutes prior, so you will not miss that.
And that is the boat ride is for
For 1 hour.
1 hour and it
At the
goes.
lake. Yes, it will take you around the lake and it will dock to another island. And then you'll be back for dance performance. In the corner over there, we do have a gym which opens from 7 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening with a pool as well, the same timing. Jiva Spa, which opens from 8 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening. And till 7:30 in the evening only will take last appointment.
Okay.
I'll put my notes if you want to order some light snacks and drinks, you can do that.
I saw I was reading on the internet about a boat for dinner.
Yes, we do have a boat. That is the Gangor boat, which is our royal barge, royal boat, and that is 150-year-old original boat.
150 per person?
No, 150-year-old.
Oh, okay. Okay, but it's a dinner boat. You have to like.
You need to make a reservation first. Okay, it will charge you 1,10,000 for one boat, for just for a boat, for 1 hour cocktail.
Oh, okay. It's so you don't eat on the boat.
You can eat 1 hour cocktail, it would be this much, and if you want to have a dinner as well, that will charge you 5,500 plus taxes after 1,10,000.
Okay. 1 lakh. What is 1 lakh?
110,000.
Okay. All right.
Your room is here, 223. To open the door, put the key tip here and then it will open. Please, welcome to the beautiful room.
Can we live here now? Wow.
Thank you. Do you like the room?
No.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Have a look at the view from your room. You have a beautiful view of sunset and Aravalli.
Wow,
Oh
amazing.
my gosh. See, we do not want to live here.
You just stay back. That's it.
Is this an upgrade or that's what you...
That is the upgraded room.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful.
This is the palace category with the beautiful view. That is Oberoi Uday Villas in front of us.
Yes, the hotel.
With the big domes. And
one over
just
there
behind,
is
yes.
Lily.
That's a Leela Palace.
Leela?
Leela, yes.
Great.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay.
So I will not take you so much time. I'll give you a quick orientation of the room and then we'll do some check-in formalities. Would that be okay?
Sure.
Certainly. So starting from door itself, you can see two tassels are here. Green is for room cleaning and red for privacy in room. Whenever you want, just hang out outside of the door. Emergency evacuation plan highlighted is your room and red arrows are showing the safety ways. And I'm sure you will not need that. For electricity, put the key inside in a key slot. Behind you, here we have AC controllers. We can manage the temperature.
Yeah,
This is
that's
to
good.
increase, decrease, on and off. Please this way. I just want to explain you the shower as well because that's a bit cringe. So what you said here? So
Okay.
3 knobs are here. The first is for head and hand shower. Put down for hand and up for head.
Okay.
Middle one is for water supply. When you will move towards to another side, it will give you water. And the last is for temperature.
Okay.
When you will move this side, it will give you cold water because this is the
That's the
indicator.
indicator, okay.
Yes. But for hot side, it will lock here. So what you have to do, you have to pull this out and easily you can move it. Bit complicated, but just for your
If
safety.
you don't tell people, then they're trying to figure out how it works.
This is just for your safety, so not burn yourself. Please here. Sorry. Private car with the charges listed here, and we have a tea coffee maker with our complement. Please this way. Every morning we place national newspapers here, which is Economics Times and Times of India.
Okay.
Do you have any preference for international newspaper?
You have-
What do you have?
We do not have. We'll print it out from internet and then we'll give it to you.
Oh no, we'll get it on the internet.
All right. Please here.
Okay, closet and the safe.
Yes, food is a safety locker, and here we do have laundry list with laundry bags and iron both as well.
If I give you something now in the afternoon, like now when I have a chance to get the luggage and could we get them back tomorrow?
You will, because at least 8 hours it will take. So you'll get
Okay,
it
because
by
we're
tomorrow.
leaving the next day, so I need to.
You'll get it tomorrow.
Okay, that's perfect.
Please here.
Shall we bring it down to the reception or just?
You can just
Call.
dial the star button. They will come and pick it up.
Perfect.
You have a menu here, which is for a spa and in-room dining. Now a small welcome letter for both of you here.
Mhm.
I just need your information.
Mhm. Just need my glasses. Do I need to do anything with this for you? Or
No.
just read it?
You can read it
Read
later
that.
on if you want. I just need your address, I need your mobile number, email address.